Hi, in this video tutorial, you will learn what is the new form mode in the Power Apps Edit Form control, how you can use it to create new records in a data source, and how you can configure it in Power Apps. So what is the new form mode? The new form mode is a configuration you can add to an edit form control so that you can use it to insert new records in a data source. Here's an example. I created this app, bookstore app, and I also created this dataverse table, the book dataverse table. It contains these fields: title, author, publisher, and year, plus a few others that are provided by Dataverse by default. Back to the app. So here, I'm going to select the container. Then I'm going to go to Insert, Edit Form. It's an edit form control that we're going to use. Then the form is inserted here in the container. I select the data source, which in this case, it's going to be the books table from Microsoft Dataverse. And it already comes with the fields that I have in the table: title, author, publisher, year, and a few more of the default fields that we have in Dataverse. The next thing I'll do is to remove some of the fields that I don't need. So I'm going to click Edit Fields of the form control, and then I'm going to remove this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. I'm going to make this one bigger, same for the others. We can reorder the fields, so I can place author below the title of the book. Now I'm going to select the main container here and insert a button. And this button is going to be used to save the record. So we're going to say it's save. And then we're going to update the onSelect property of the button to save the form in our Dataverse table. And for that, just do SubmitForm, and as parameter, you select the form, which in this case is form 2. We can change the theme, resize the field here to align with the others. And with that, the form is ready. So let's save the app and play it. Now notice that the form is not displayed, and it says no item to display. Why is that? The reason is because this form is set to the edit mode. So if we select the form again, and we go to default mode, the default mode is edit when you create an edit form control. But now we want to change it to the new mode. And this is the new mode. An edit form has 3 modes: edit, new, or view. You use the new mode when you want to insert a new record in the data source, but you can also use the edit mode to update an existing record and to view an existing record without the possibility to update it. In the next video about the edit form control, I will cover the other 2 modes. So let's change it to the new mode. Now let's play the app again. Now here it is. We can do another change here first to make these fields fit the whole window. For that, you use with fit for all of them. All of them are well aligned. And let's test it. My favorite book of the year, author, smart writer, publisher, all over books, year 2025. Click save. Cool. Now let's go to our Dataverse table. There was no records. Let's refresh it. Our new record was inserted. Hey, if you like this video, please click like. And if you want to learn more about Power Apps, click subscribe.